Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful pillow cover. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and some buttons. This pillow cover is done in two pieces. This is the front part and this is the back part. Back part we have done only with the double crochet in each stitch. Front part we have done this design. So we will do two pieces separately and then join the three sides using single crochet, and in the one side we will join the button. So now let's see how to do this beautiful pillow cover. Start with a slip knot. The foundation chain should be any multiple of 11 plus 2. So for this video purpose, I'll be doing 44 plus 2, 48 chain. So 44 is the multiple of 11 and plus 2, so 48 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. So the foundation chain should be any multiple of 11 plus 2. So now we have done 44 chain, which is the multiple of 11, and then 2 chain, 1, 2. So totally we have done 46 chain. Next we are going to work in the second chain from the hook, 1, 2. We are going to do single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next it's single crochet, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. We'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work. So from this round onwards, we'll be working only on the back loops. So if you see a chain, it is a V-like structure here. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So we'll be working only on the back loops. So we are going to do single crochet by taking only the back loops. So we'll be doing single crochet in each stitch by taking the back loops till you reach the last stitch. After doing single crochet in each stitch only on the back loops, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work. So we'll be working on the back loops. So we are going to do a slip stitch in the first stitch, insert the hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. This is what we say it as slip stitch. Next stitch, half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the back loops, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Next stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. By following the same pattern of doing double crochet, we have to do for 8 more stitches only on the back loops. So totally you have 9 double crochet. So we have already done 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So after doing them, it looks like this. The next stitch you're going to do a half double crochet only in the back loops. Next you're going to do slip stitch for 11 stitches only in the back loops. So 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So after doing them, it looks like this. Next we have to repeat this pattern, that is do half double crochet in the back loop and 9 double crochet in the back loops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Next stitch half double crochet in the back loops. Then do slip stitch in each stitch for 11 stitches in the back loop. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
So after completing this row, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. We have to repeat the mirror image of the previous round. So that is, we have done 11 slip stitch. Same way we are going to do 11 slip stitch only using the back loops. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
next stitch half double crochet. So next you are going to do double crochet in each stitch for 9 stitches only in the back loops. 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
next stitch half double crochet. Next do slip stitch in each stitch for 11 stitches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Next stitch half double crochet. Next do double crochet in each stitch for 9 stitches in the back loop. 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
next stitch half double crochet. Next stitch slip stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next round, chain 1, turn your work. You are going to do single crochet in each stitch only in the back loops. So next stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet. Likewise, we will be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet, we have to do 3 more rows. So totally you will be having 4 rows of single crochet. After doing single crochet in each stitch for 4 rows, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. So we are going to repeat this third row. That is, we'll do a slip stitch in the back loop, half double crochet in the back loop, double crochet in each stitch for 9 stitches only in the back loops. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
next stitch half double crochet. Next you are going to do slip stitch in each stitch for 11 stitches. 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
next stitch half double crochet. So next we have to do double crochet in each stitch for 9 stitches, then half double crochet, then slip stitch in each stitch for 11 stitches only in the back loops. Next we have to repeat the 4th row, that is the mirror image of the 3rd row. Then we have to do single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches only in the back loops. So this pattern is just the repeat of this 3rd row, 4th row and the single crochet in each stitch for 4 rows. By following the same pattern, we have to do them till the required height of the pillow cover we want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. This is the front part of the pillow cover. For the back part, if you see, I have just done double crochet in each stitch till the required size of the pillow cover. So now let's see how to join them together to form a cute pillow cover. We will join the sides using single crochet. insert the hook in the stitch of one side, stitch of the other side, yarn over, pull through the loop. We'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it a single crochet. Insert the hook in stitch of one side, insert the hook in the stitch of the other side, yarn over, pull through both the loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, we'll be joining all the 3 sides to form this pillow cover. That is, we will be doing single crochet to join them. It looks like this. Likewise, you are going to join all the 3 sides. We'll leave one side without joining. After inserting the pillow inside this pillow cover, we will join them using button. After joining both the pieces using single crochet, it looks like this. We have joined 3 sides. One side we have not joined. Instead, we have attached button on one side. Pillow cover looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you, friends.